Hi there, I'm Rebecca and a really warm welcome back to my channel, PumpkinBecki. In this week's video we're going to be opening a very special parcel. Let's get started. Just recently, the lovely Jason Hanrahan at the Bonsai Garden passed 10,000 subscribers, and to mark such a fantastic landmark event, he decided to do a little giveaway. He got 8 pots from a wonderful potter who I'll give you some more detail about in a second, and invited everybody to comment on the video for each of the pots that they liked the look of and would like to be in with a chance for winning. I think I commented on 4. They were all equally stunning, but I didn't want to go for all of them. I knew some of them just weren't quite the right fit for me and my bonsai, so I very specifically targeted the ones that I really did like. And on a recent video he had a random number generator, he had his spreadsheets for each of the 8 pots with the number of people that entered, and announced the winners, and I was one of those lucky winners, and I actually got, I think, my favourite pot of all, which oddly was the least popular of all of the pots. So the pot has now arrived. The shape of the box is telling me that I probably didn't win the Cascade pot, or either of there was a slightly deeper pot that's a little bit like my Peter Picked Poppies. It could be one of the rectangular ones. Let's have a look. Oh, it's really secret. Oh, it's not that secret. I can see the number of the pot that I got. But the box is telling me it's headphones. It's not headphones. Just clever recycling. It's got my name on it, PumpkinBecki, and it is pot 8. I've got a note. Ah, it's from the Bonsai Garden. Becky, congratulations. Hope you like your prize. Best wishes, Jason, and a big smiley face. Bless him. Excellent job on the packing, Jason. Thank you. Oh, it's still a surprise. Oh, wow. I think this is actually my favourite pot of all of them. It was a bit of a surprise because stylistically it wasn't like any of her other ones. She has this almost signature surface marking which looks like it's probably a scraping tool or a gouging tool, and she makes these beautiful almost, I don't know how to describe it. It could look like craggly rock, it could look like a stream. They're beautiful, and Jason had chosen a few of those. She'd also got a very modern looking one with quite square feet that was had a beautiful textured, it almost looked like agate sort of rock formation, really gorgeous. There was a very modern looking one there was one with cloud feet that was a little bit more traditional, similar sort of round dish shape to this one. But this one was just so completely different to all the others that he had chosen. And it had the look of an ancient artifact, you know. And the markings reminded me of bamboo cane, where it has the sort of the joints as it grows. And yeah, I absolutely loved it. It's got beautiful stamps on it to tell me who made it. Lovely big drainage hole, 3 wire holes. Absolutely gorgeous. I also love the colour variation she's got, from this sort of red terracotta with this grey, I guess it's a glaze, or it almost looks, what do they call it? The potter is Elizabeth, and she has a shop on Etsy called Hinata Ceramics. And here is one of those pots I was describing with the amazing texture. It almost looks like it's been picked out with a very fine tool, or perhaps it's more of a scratched in texture. I'm not sure, but it's so beautiful and refined. And she has stunning drum pots. There was a drum pot in the competition. I did go for it, but didn't win it. I'm not bitter. This is one of her more modern looking pots, and it's not dissimilar to one that was in the giveaway, but the one in the giveaway had these incredible sort of inclusions in the glaze that looked almost like when you crack open a geode and you can see the crystalline structure. From this pot, it looks like she might call this an oxide glaze, which I think is what I have going on this little bamboo pot. It's just subtle. A little bit more of that oxide glaze on the inside and on the base, but she's obviously sort of rubbed off on the high points to give that variety. And I just think it's absolutely beautiful. It's a little treasure. Wow, lucky me. I'm delighted, and thank you, Jason, again. What a wonderful way to celebrate reaching 10,000 subscribers, and what an absolutely stunning achievement. Well done. Well done indeed. I was considering the smaller of my 2 Fuji cherries as a possibility for this pot, but I think actually it's probably a little bit big. So I'll have to think again. But I've got until spring to find just the perfect plant for this pot. May even end up being a little maple, maybe. So there we go, that's the end of this week's video, just sharing the incredible generosity of Jason Hanrahan and this gorgeous, gorgeous pot from Hinata Ceramics. I am very, very privileged to be its new owner. Thank you. Right, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to me here on YouTube. And until next time, bye.